I'm Robert with Clausen Motorsports, and this is 2 Minute Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about chain maintenance. So we've got this bike, and you're going to want to get the rear wheel off the ground. If you have a center stand or a rear stand, you're kind of going to need that. We're going to start with cleaning it. I like the Motul Chain Clean. We'll give her a good spray down. And we're going to go ahead and let that soak in for a couple minutes. We've let this soak in a little bit. We're going to go ahead and take our chain brush, throw it on the chain here, give it a good spin. And then we'll take a nice clean rag here, wipe off the excess. And then we'll take our Motul chain lube and give her a nice little spray. Kind of want to spray in between the links and get the O-rings real well. And then, now we're going to check the chain tension. Spec on this bike is 20 to 30 millimeters. You can find that information in your owner's manual. Just take a metal ruler here and we'll measure it out. And we're at 28, so we're going to call that good.